Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add games in Wemod. First, download and install the Wemod application from its official website. Once installed, launch Wemod. It will automatically scan your computer for installed games. This initial scan usually finds most compatible titles if they are in standard installation paths. If a game isn't immediately detected, don't worry. There are simple steps to add it manually. If Wemod doesn't find your game automatically, you can add it manually. Look for the Add Game button, usually located at the top right or within the Games tab. Click this button, then navigate to the folder where your game is installed. You'll need to select the main executable file, which often ends with exe. Once selected, Wemod will link to your game, allowing you to use its features. After adding your game, select it from the Wemod library. You'll see a list of available trainers and options for that specific game. Simply click on the cheats you wish to activate. Remember, Wemod works best when your game is already running. Once activated, you can enjoy enhanced gameplay. Always ensure your game version is compatible with the trainer for optimal performance and to avoid issues. If you encounter issues, first ensure both Wemod and your game are updated to their latest versions. Sometimes, antivirus software can interfere. Try temporarily disabling it if you face problems. Wemod has a helpful community forum for specific game issues. For a different kind of upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.